Today I'm going through my sock drawer. As you can see, I have a lot of socks which I need to organize, and which I am going to organize. So without further ado, let's get into this sock organizing video. That's every one of them. This is my sock pile. It's a lot of socks. Let's do this. Today I'm going to be folding my socks the Marie Kondo way. So to fold your socks the Marie Kondo way, we first need to move all this out of the way and get on with only 2 pairs of socks. Ugh. First, you want to take one sock and the other sock. You want to make sure that they're lined up just like this. Heel matches up with the other heel, and just kind of do that. Make sure it's perfect. And now you're just going to fold it in thirds. So taking this part right here, you're going to fold all the way to the heel, just like that. And then you're going to fold it again. And that is how you do it. And then you stand it up. That's the Marie Kondo way of folding your socks. I will show you again. So always when you're making the socks, when you're folding the socks, you need to make sure that they're right side out, because if they're not, they won't work. So you just do this, and then you fold it into thirds. So 1, or little 1 and 2. And you smush it, and you stand it up just like that. Now here's a time-lapse clip of me folding all of my socks. Also, when you're folding the socks, make sure that you throw away or reuse the ones that you do not want. Because if the ones like this one looks like a banana, so like if I was to like I don't want to wear a banana, so then I would just like toss it right there. Or for example, I wouldn't want to wear a cow, so I'll just put the cow there. And I throw away the ones that does not make me happy with it. Now all that's left is to put it in this drawer. So it turns out that I actually had less socks than I thought I had. So that was my video on me showing you how to fold socks the Marie Kondo way. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!